ZANU-PF President Mnangagwa and his deputy Constantino Chiwenga expected to confront each other in 3 consecutive urgent meetings at the Sabc building as factionalism within the party deepens. Ashperi mushe muri Zimbabwe amene naye ZANU-PF kupokana kurimo chasvika kubizambe na mashoko abdanyo mzimu ai kuti bo subscribe like kuti na on the bell icon tipina munyo msinzi. The 3 meetings have been lined up for Politburo tomorrow, followed by Central Committee on Thursday and the National Consultative Assembly on Friday. The ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mnangagwa confirmed the meetings but did not disclose their agendas. However, sources within the party indicate that the meetings will address the escalating factionalism driven by President Mnangagwa's intention to remain in power beyond 2028. President Mnangagwa's association with the controversial businessman Chiwenga, whom he allegedly uses to siphon national resources for his political survival, is also expected to be discussed. These ties have reportedly angered Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who feels sidelined and undermined. As per Mushe, though suggested agendas autagwa zvinzi aiwa idi Mnangagwa arikuda kumbonobvunzwa face to face nenhau Victor Chiwenga nhau yema resources nhau ye-third term bid au muri Zimbabwe. Ashperi Mushe chimbotudze mafungiro enyu nokudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinai mucomment section medu, subscribe, kulike.